If you need the latest Canon printer drivers for your printer, this tutorial will show you exactly how to find and download them on Windows 11. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Canon printer drivers and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official Canon website. Once you're on Canon's website, look for the option to search for your printer by model number. Next, find your printer's model number. You can usually find it on the front, top, or back of the printer. Type the model number into the search box and select Search. When the results appear, click on your printer model to open its support page. Scroll down until you find the Drivers and Downloads section. Here, you'll see the available drivers and software for your printer. Choose the latest recommended driver, then click Download. Wait for the download to finish. Depending on your browser, you may see the file appear in the Downloads bar or in your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, you've successfully downloaded the latest Canon printer driver for Windows 11. Thanks for watching Learnova. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials.